This is for Year 12 Methods. It is the 2017 VCAA exam number 1, question number 3. So we have a restricted domain on this cubic. I've got to show that this expands to this. So I'll expand the first and I will get x squared plus 2 times the first times the second is 4x plus 4 times x minus 1 equals the right hand side. X squared times that's x cubed. X squared times that's minus x squared, 4x times x is plus 4x squared, 4x times minus 1 is minus 4x, 4 times x is plus 4x, 4 times 1 is minus 4, and I've got an x cubed plus 3x squared, they disappear, minus 4 equals right hand side, therefore done. Part 2 is to sketch it. Okay, so I know that I have a touching turning point at x equals negative 2 and a cut at x equals 1. So we're going to cut through there and we're going to touch at x equals negative 2. I know I have a y-intercept at negative 4. And we know that it is a positive cubic. So it's going to start down here, it's going to finish up here, so we're going to get the general shape which will look like this. Now I need to find out the turning point, so I need to take the derivative and set the derivative equal to 0. So I've got x cubed plus 3x squared, so x cubed plus 3x squared minus 4, and I'll take the derivative of that to give 3x squared plus 6x. And if I set it equal to 0 and take out a common factor of 3x, I've got x plus 2. Therefore at x equals 0 and x equals negative 2. So we're going to come along, we're going to touch at negative 2. We're going to have our turning point at 0, then we're going to go through 1. So it's going to be 0 and negative 4. It's going to be 1 and 0, and that's going to be negative 2 and 0, but I only wish to draw it from negative 3 to 0. So I need to work out what that is, and I've got negative 3 square bracket to 0. So I'm going to get rid of all of this, and I'm going to get rid of all of that. And I need to find this end point. So I need to sub negative 3 into the original, which will be negative 3 cubed plus 3 times negative 3 squared minus 4, negative 27 plus 27 minus 4, so that's at minus 4. So in actual fact it looks like that. And I'll get my rubber out again and get rid of that little bit. So that's what my curve's going to look like. And I need to label my endpoint, and my endpoint will be negative 3, negative 4.